How to pin YouTube to Windows 10 taskbar. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how, you may follow up the simple process in order to do so. So for that, you may go ahead and access YouTube in your browser, for example Chrome. And once you've accessed YouTube, what you can do next is you can look out for the three dot at the top and click on it. And once you go ahead and click on it, from here you may scroll down and look for more tool option. Or you can head over to the second option as well and look out for create shortcut. If not here, you can look out for this cast, shave and share option at the very top right above the more tools. Just go ahead and click on it and look out for the option of create shortcut. Once that is done, the shortcut should be created. You can click on create and then create up your shortcut, and you should be finding your shortcut on your desktop screen. And you can just go ahead and drag and drop it on the section right here like this. You need to drag and drop it, and once that is done, it should be pinned like this. So you can right click on it if it is not pinned directly, and you can just go ahead and look out for the pin, but it is already pinned, which means you will be finding an unpin option, and that is it. Now after that is done, you can go ahead and remove this desktop shortcut, click on it, and you can go ahead and delete it, and you should be finding your YouTube shortcut pinned on your desktop screen, and that's it. So that is how you basically do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.